Some guys flex like this. Well, this is how I flex. G'day folks, it's DIY Guy 123 here, bringing you another do-it-yourself video. Do you want to be the coolest guy on the block? Well, get yourself a hydraulic top link. I'm going to tell you what it is and how to hook it up. This one's from Beaver. I paid for this. It's not a sponsored video. It came just as you see here. This part is fully plumbed, and I have to take off the two plastic caps here and install the hoses that came with it. They come with plastic covers, and you're going to remove these. This is just a dust cover, keep some oil in during shipping. Now, the first thing to note is with this kit, the hydraulic fitting was not tightened onto the hose. It was just loose. I checked to make sure that this quick connect does fit my tractor hydraulics, and it does. So then I tightened it onto here, but note there's a copper washer between it. So anyway, that's tight. And then on this end, it's like a banjo type fitting, and you take a bolt and put a copper washer on top, and then you get your other copper washer on the bottom, and this is going to get screwed into one of those two ports. Make sure this mating surface is clean and screw your bolt into it. And keep that loose. And we'll do the other one. And I'm not tightening these with the wrench, they're just barely finger tight. And then I'll install it on the machine, set the angle, the optimum angle, then tighten these down. You take your old top link out, just set it aside. Check to make sure your old pins fit snugly in the new top link, and they do. Then install your new top link. I'm going to take my new hydraulic fittings and shove them in the quick disconnect. Give a little twist. And the same with this one. Shove him in there. I'll admit I may have it backwards. The piston is going to extend right there, which will cause this to move away from the tractor. Notice these still swivel. It's because I've got them loose still. So I want to set them so that when the top link is down, they're at a good angle. And when it's up, they're at a good angle. Well, there's up and there's down. So if they're off at this angle, I think it's going to be a win. Now you can always tighten these up more later, but you can't unstrip something. Just be gentle when you're tightening things for the first time. They still may leak. I'm going to clean them off and then start the tractor and try it again. And if they do continue to leak, I may take a hammer and just gently tap on here to seat the bolt into the copper washer. And when the 3-point hitch is all the way down, there will be enough clearance. And when it's all the way up, there will be enough clearance for, or length for hose as well. That's how simple it is. If you have a box blade or some type of grater blade, a hydraulic top link is the way to go. Good luck with your do-it-yourself project.